Hello everyone, have a good day. The topic that we're going to discuss today is about proportion and similarity. But before that, let us have a review about ratio. What is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. Now there are three ways in order to write a ratio. The first one is A to B, the second one is A over B, and the third one is A is to B. Let us have an example. There are 15 boys and 23 girls in a certain group of students. Find the ratio of boys to girls. What do you think the correct ratio of the problem? And of course, the answer is 15 to 23 or 15 over 23, or you can write the answer in the form of 15 is to 23. If possible, if you can write the ratio into simplest form, much better. Why? Because in mathematics, all the answer must be in simplest form.
Hello kids! Today, let's learn the concept of proportion. Let's look at an example. There are 100 coconut trees and 200 mango trees in orchard A. There are 500 coconut trees and 1000 mango trees in orchard B. Is the ratio of coconut trees to mango trees in both orchards the same? In orchard A, the ratio of the coconut trees to mango trees is 100 is to 200, which is equal to 1 is to 2. In orchard B, the ratio of the coconut trees to mango trees is 500 is to 1000, which is equal to 1 is to 2. Since both 100 is to 200 and 500 is to 1000 are equal to 1 is to 2, the ratio of coconut trees to mango trees in both the orchards is the same. Children, whenever two ratios are equal, they form a proportion. Here, in this example, we express these two ratios mathematically as follows. It is read as 100 is to 200 is as 500 is to 1000. In general, it is written as A is to B is as C is to D. A proportion has four terms. A and D are called the extremes or outer terms, and B and C are called the means or middle terms. Now, let's see how to verify whether two sets of ratios are proportional. Let us take the ratios of the earlier example. There are two methods. Method 1. Step 1. Find the product of the extremes, which is 100 into 1000 is equal to 1 lakh. Step 2. Find the product of the means, that is 200 into 500 is equal to 1 lakh. Here, product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Therefore, the two ratios are in proportion.
From the video, you can see the importance of the product of the extreme and the product of the means. Why? Because if the product of the extreme is equal to the product of the means, then therefore the two ratios are equal. And if the ratios are equal, then it is an example of a proportion. Let us proceed to similar polygons. When can we say that the given polygons are similar? Similar polygons have congruent corresponding angles, meaning if angle 1 corresponds to angle 2, then the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 2. Second, proportional corresponding sides. Again, there is the word proportional, meaning to say that the product of the extreme is equal to the product of the means. Let us have an example. Polygon ABCDE is similar to polygon LMNOP. Since the first polygon is similar to the second polygon, so therefore, their corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. If angle B corresponds to angle M, meaning to say that the measure of angle B is equal to the measure of angle M. The same as if angle A corresponds to angle L, so meaning the measure of angle A is congruent to the measure of angle L. Now, if side AB corresponds to side LM and side CD corresponds to side NO, so therefore, AB over LM equals CD over NO. Let me check if you understand the topic. And the answer is the given triangle are similar. Why? Because the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are proportional. Example, 5 over 3 equals 12 over 7.2. If you're going to get now the product of the means and the product of the extreme, the product of the means equals 36 and the product of the extreme is also equal to 36. So the triangle are similar triangle. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you to the next tutorial. Keep safe everyone. Bye bye.